Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 17 of my Lamborghini Sian build. So last time, working on the rear section here, got the exhaust on. Now we're going to continue. Going to get some more parts on here. We got a 9 beam with 2 long blue pins and 2 black pins here, and that's going to go between, right on that frame piece. And now I need, what do I need here? Oh, we're making the lights from the looks of it. Okay, I got 2 these half beams. And that's there. We use one of these black axles. And one of these. Okay. One of these kind of teeth pieces. Can I push that in there? Maybe I can't. Okay, that's better. So that's like that, and then I have a Technic brick to go there. Yep, and then this other axle connector, 90° to a pin. And then there's 4 black pins in the brick. And one over here, so there we go. And then we have an L beam, a black L beam. That goes this way, I guess. And then I have one of these 3 beams with the axle connection, 90° axle connection on the end, and another pin. So that's like not in yet. Okay. Okay, now we have this green long axle connector. And we put that in here. Okay, that should go through that L beam. Like that. And then we have some plates. Put together some plates here. Okay, so that plate goes on top of this. And then I have one here. And the corner plate goes like that. Okay. A 3 plate. Is that, oh no, I did that wrong. It goes like this. Well, that makes more sense. Okay, that goes there, and then there's this jumper. And a 3, another 3. Okay, so we're still not like in solidly. Don't know if it's supposed to be. And then that was the short black axle over there, right? Yeah. That's what it is. Okay, now we have some of these. We have another corner plate. Oh, I did that wrong. This one is a 3 that goes this way. And then we have another corner plate. And a 3. And then we have these 2-sided like rod connectors, and we're going to put some of these rooftop slopes. Oh, these are that's neat. using these bricks for the lights. And like that. Okay, so that goes there, and then we're putting one here, and one here. Okay. Now there are tile. Okay, we put tile there along 1x6. And we have a 1x2 and a 1x1. Oh, come on, that's gonna go on there. Oh, it's getting blocked by the roof piece. So they can interfere with that. Okay, so there we go. That's those 3 pieces, and then there's a red axle up here, short red axle. Okay, then black axle, collar, 3 1x2 half beams. And then the 1x2 beam with the axle connection, and a plate and one of these teeth, I guess, like that. And that, oh, I see. That hooks into this axle at the top. So it's still not holding. I don't know what's going to hold this. Yeah, okay, now we have 2 of these arms, usually used on the Formula 1 cars. Go like that, I believe. So it's like, yeah, it's like that. Oh, we're supposed to, what? Oh, they are not. Okay, they're like that. And then I take a stud pin, and it goes in from behind. Yep. To hook those 2 together. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, now we got something. Okay, we have an L beam, an axle pin, a pin, and then a 9 beam. Like that, and then that goes on this pin here. So there's that. Now we have this 2 beam with the axle connection, and that pops on here. Okay, wait a second, that's not right. So if that goes there, that's not, is that not in the right spot? This is not in the right spot. Can I get it off? There. Now it's in the right spot. So I gotta hook, okay, so that helps it slide up. So I can put it like that. Okay, there we go. So that's gonna help it angle. Okay, so it's like that. And then I'm gonna put that on the back here. So that's going over. That goes on the driver's side. Like, okay, it goes like that. What's it hooking onto? It's hooking onto these pins up here. These 2 pins up here. Okay, then it sits like perfectly right on top of, right above this panel. But look at that angle. That's pretty impressive there. Okay, and now that's all solid there. Oh wait, might have, nope, I'm gonna build the other side now. Get 2 of these. Small axle. And the tooth piece goes that way. Into the brick. That goes there. And this pin goes in there, along with the other 3 pins. Okay, now the L beam. The 3 beam with the axle pin connector, and we'll put that like that. Put that in there too. This pin goes there. Okay, now it's this plates. Corner. It's interesting, the corner plates there. So we'll get these pieces used up over here. Another jumper. And plate and the corner plate. And then these 3 again. That's 2 and then 1 more. Those go on those 3 spots. And we have the tile. That's going to lean forward a little bit. There we go. And that is, oh wait, uh-oh. Let's get that not stuck in there. Oh, I got it stuck on the plate because it keeps flopping around. I didn't even realize that was doing that. Okay, there we go. And then I put the axle, short red axle, and the build this other part here. We have 2 or 3 half beams, 1x2 half beams. Okay, that's those, and then this one. So this 2 beam with the axle connection. Pin this tooth piece and that goes on the axle there. So that's like that. And then these two. Okay, and then in the back. 9 beam with the, let's try to put these in the right places this time. Okay, so that goes on like that. And then this piece with the axle pin, and they connect together right there. Okay. Now onto the car. That goes right over here. And we got lights. So that's pretty neat. And let's see. Got some using those. Oh, there's those long. Need these. Okay, so start with these two connections here. I need a axle pin, long red axle pin. Okay, and then this goes 90 degree, or well, I don't know, somewhat like that, and then the long axle, flexible axle here. 90 degree. Beam with axle connection. Oh, that's supposed to go the other way. So it goes there. Then we have a long blue pin here. The 3 beam with the axle connection. Okay, now I gotta figure out how that's supposed to go on there. It goes on the back here. Some driver's side. And that goes in this piece here. Like that. I guess. That's just out there. Okay, I guess let's put the other one here. Goes that way. Then we have a long connector here. That goes on there, and then the pin is in here. And then that goes on like that. Okay, let's get that on the other side. Okay, so it's showing it actually. Oh, I see. So I'm supposed to put it on and then turn it down. Okay, so that's going in this side here, and then it's supposed to go down, and we're going to put that pin in there, I guess. So the pin, and then that goes there. Pin there, and then that's there, and that's supposed to come up like that. Okay, now we need there's two small ones and an axle connector, and those go, or this goes in between the two back here. What? How is it? What? Okay, I'm putting it in there and seeing what it's gonna do. I don't understand what it thinks it's doing. It's just sitting there. It is what it is, I guess. I don't understand. It doesn't, nothing's holding it, so. And we have some winglets here. Or a winglet, we have 22. And we have two of these one by three beams, half beams. Get that in there, and then another pin, red axle, and that is going like that, and that goes on the side. So we're just putting that over here. And right there. So I have to get that turned around and try to put the other one in. Okay, so we have a 90-degree, or the axle and pin here. And then that's a 9-beam, that's a 7-beam. Blue pin goes on the outside. Then there's two long blue pins here. A black pin. Another black pin. And a green L-beam. And then that goes this way. Okay. So it goes this way and hooks onto the green L-beam and the gray L-beam on this side. And all those pins have to go in there. There we go. Is that gonna go down? Yep, goes this way. That has been part 17 of my Lamborghini Sian build. So we got the rear lights on, so that's a pretty neat build that we put together, as well as some more structural elements on the back here. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.